everyone, welcome back to Digital Marketing Software's channel. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically post a series of posts in groups on Facebook. First, everyone needs to get a group UID list. By MTUID software, you will be able to scan the groups according to the keywords you want. I've scanned this sample here, and I've got a list of groups. Here, everyone you can export to an Excel file so you can filter out which groups have censorship status or which groups have non-censorship status. I will copy all the clips of this group. Then I will go to the software MT. MKT Care software will help you manage a series of Facebook accounts. First, you want to post to groups. Go to the Viral Marketing section and then select the Group Posting feature. Here you can paste the list of UIDs that you just scanned into the Group ID section in this section, and then you save it too. Next to you. Setup, give yourself the configuration as the maximum number of post streams of all accounts, or how many groups each account can post. And a few more options at the bottom, like posting random posts, not posting group parties. Join a group without joining and wait time to upload photos. Finally, you choose the content that you have added to the software. After you set up the configuration, next you will select the Facebook account that you will use to post. You finally press Start. Check and you let me track the results of how the software runs. If you are interested in the software, want to see more detailed features, or want to register to, please contact me via Telegram and MacToolson or WhatsApp 80 for 961,180 for 1,350 for I will support. Thank you for following the video and see you in the next